G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm going to cook a delicious dinner, a creamy chicken and bacon pasta. This recipe is so easy, you're going to wonder why you haven't made it before. Anyway, let me show you what I'm using. So basically all I'm using for this is, I've got some pasta of your choice. You'll need a cup of peas. I got the spreadable cream cheese because, well, it's going to be so much easier to use. I bought some diced bacon, about 2 cups worth, and I've also got some shredded chicken, about the same amount, 2 cups worth. And just for an optional extra, if you've got these, I've got some parsley which I cut up, a bit of garlic, and a few spring onions. Right, well let's warm some of these frying pans up. Or saucepans as they're otherwise known as. And into this one I'll just add a little bit of olive oil just to get the party started, and we'll throw the bacon in and get that starting to cook. In the meantime, how about we cut up our spring onions. Nice and fine, or nice and coarse, depending what you want. Got a bit of a slippery cutting board here. It's doing a bit of a dance. I should probably stir the bacon because we want to get it nice and crispy. Now I've got the water boiling here for the pasta. And when I'm cooking pasta, I do like to add just a little bit of olive oil. I reckon it stops it from sticking, even if science tells me it doesn't. And I'll just add the whole box of that pasta in. And this one takes 10 minutes to cook, so I'll whack the timer on. Of course, I better give it a stir so it's not sticking. And while that's doing its thing, this bacon, oh yes, really crisping up. So that's looking pretty cooked, isn't it? So I'll add in the onions and garlic. Mix that all through. And after a minute or two, I'll add in the chicken so that can start heating up. And about a cup of peas here. These are frozen. I'll just add them all. Now once that's heated through, let me just make some space here. And I'll add this whole tub of cream cheese. I told you it was going to be creamy. And I just want to melt this cream cheese down before I mix all the other things through. Oh yes. Right. Let's combine all of this. I'll turn that off now. And this will just keep continuing to sort of melt. But when I add the pasta in with a little bit of liquid, it'll melt even further. So I'll take that off and drain it. So we'll just add the pasta in there now. And there was some water in there as well. Now we just mix it through. And there we have it, the creamy chicken and bacon pasta. How easy was that? Okay, well let's serve some up. We'll sprinkle some green stuff on top. Can't wait to tuck on in for the taste test. Oh man, that looks so good. Smells great too. All right, come at me, bro. Oh yeah. Whoa. So creamy, bacony, chickeny, and delicious. I'm sure if you make one, you're going to enjoy it as much as I did. And how easy was it to throw together? Anyway, I hope you enjoy this dish. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I cook something amazing. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is great.